This short video with a Peugeot 407, and got a bottom pulleys broke away from the main body. It's making an awful racket. So we're going to change that, and we undo the tensioner, lock up the engine, and remove that bottom pulley, and replace the pan belt or the serpentine belt, and replace the pulley. Okay, 18mm socket on the bottom crank here, and you have to crank the engine clockwise. Put a bolt in here, and once the bolt slides in the flywheel, it'll lock the flywheel. So the engine's locked up now. Now we can reverse the ratchet and loosen the pulley. See, the pulley's broke away there. It's causing a very big racket. So next step now, we're going to loosen this bolt here in the centre and take off the broken pulley. I have to clean it all these. That's our next step. Okay, we've got a new pulley back on there and tightened up. The next step now, I'm going to undo the remove the locking bolt. Just going to pop that out of there. And you have it. That's our new pulley on now. Next step, I'm going to tighten her all up here.